Welcome to our new video, The Ultimate Guide to Deep Relaxation, Guided Meditation 101. In this video, we will take you on a journey of serenity and tranquility. Discover the transformative power of guided meditation as we explore techniques to help you achieve deep relaxation, reduce stress, and find inner peace. Are you ready to embark on this path to profound calmness? Let's begin. 1. Understanding deep relaxation. In this chapter, we will lay the foundation for deep relaxation. We'll explore what deep relaxation truly means and why it is essential for our well-being. Through enlightening insights and scientific research, you will gain a deeper understanding of the benefits and significance of achieving a state of profound calmness. 2. Exploring guided meditation. Now that we comprehend the essence of deep relaxation, let's dive into the world of guided meditation. In this chapter, we will demystify guided meditation and its various forms. From visualization to body scanning, you will discover different techniques that will help you effortlessly enter a meditative state. Join us as we unravel the beauty and power of guided meditation. 3. Nurturing inner peace. Finding inner peace is a lifelong journey, and guided meditation can be a powerful companion along the way. In this chapter, we will explore how guided meditation can foster a deep sense of inner peace. Through gentle guidance and affirmations, you will learn how to quiet your mind, let go of negativity, and connect with the tranquility within. Join us as we embark on this path to inner harmony. 4. Stress reduction techniques. Stress has become an unavoidable part of modern life, but it doesn't have to consume us. In this chapter, we will delve into proven techniques within guided meditation that specifically target stress reduction. From mindful breathing to progressive muscle relaxation, you will discover powerful tools to release tension and find solace amidst the chaos. Let's navigate the path toward a stress-free existence together. 5. Cultivating tranquility. Tranquility is a state of being that allows us to find balance, clarity, and contentment. In this final chapter, we will explore how guided meditation can help us cultivate tranquility in our lives. Through mindful practices and guided visualizations, you will learn to embrace the present moment, let go of worries, and immerse yourself in a serene state of mind. Join us on this transformative journey as we uncover the secrets to lasting tranquility. Remember, deep relaxation is a practice that requires consistency and patience. By incorporating guided meditation into your daily routine, you can experience its remarkable benefits on your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on mindfulness and self-care. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. May your path to deep relaxation be filled with tranquility, serenity, and profound inner peace. Until next time, take care and be well.